Hey yo, crypto in health. You want to know how crypto is working in health? We come to you every day with juicy news on wealth, wellness, and well being. Of course, we're broadcasting to you live from 1.4 degrees south of the equator and 37 degrees east of the central meridian. It is we're right in the cryptographic middle of the world. You're with me, Scholastica Mugi, and I'm coming to you at 1000 hours Coordinated Universal Time UTC here on the Ubrican channel. You're just in time. I'm excited, guys. It's a lovely Saturday afternoon. The sun is up. We are psyched up for the weekend, and I'm glad to be joining you today. And I hope that you have had an amazing time all through, and I hope that your morning is blessed. And now we get to letting you know what's happening in the crypto world and what's going on in the blockchain technology world. So thank you very much for joining me today. And before we start off, I'd like to request you that you keep subscribing. Thank you very much. We have an amazing fan base that's come to join us. So many people have subscribed to our channel, and this is also your chance because they know that we are dealing with a solid project that's going on, and we have a crypto that guarantees you wealth, wellness, and well-being. Thank you very much for your support so far. We appreciate you 100%, and we are grateful. And don't forget to always give a thumbs up to this video for giving us the psych to give you exciting and informative and entertaining content that's going to change your world. And talking about changing your world, we are today focusing on something that's going to change your thinking. Now, our quote for today, we are looking at words, inspiring words from a theoretical physicist, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein just inspires me so much. And so today he says, the world as we have created, it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. You cannot change the world if you do not change your thinking. And this ranges from being optimistic, looking things from a different view and noticing some of those very petty things that we take for granted. That's the only way we can change the world. You must get out of that comfort zone, understand how the blockchain works, understand why you need to invest in the Ubricoin, understand why we need to focus on critical issues that are affecting health globally. And that is why we are at the Ubrican channel. We bring to you critical issues because we know that if we do not begin by changing the world, changing how we look at the health system, then nothing will change. So that is why you must always focus on changing your thinking so that the world becomes a better place. You and I are responsible for making this world a better place to live in. So now today, guys, on our crypto word of the day, we're defining the term cold wallet. And next up on our crypto news segment, we focus on interesting news and research. There's a research going on that indicates that blockchain devices are expected to gain 42% annually. And finally, on Ubrica today, exactly 13 days to go to where you need to be this month. We're talking about the 27th of this month. It's a big deal. Why is it a big deal? The Nairobi Blockchain Conference is going down for you. And why is it the Nairobi Blockchain Conference a big deal? Just find out in a moment. But first, let's define what a cold wallet is. And a cold wallet is any cryptocurrency wallet that is not connected to the internet. So this means that a cold wallet can come in software forms such as apps, which are used on a computer or a smartphone. And one advantage of a cold wallet is that it is much less susceptible to hacks. That means it's much more secure. And again, there's no risk of security, and there's no risk of security. Yeah, there's no risk of security. And on the other hand, it is much more of a task to store cryptocurrencies on a cold wallet. And again, it is highly inconvenient for trading purposes. So when you think about security issues and not being it's less susceptible, to hacks, That's a cold wallet. Yes, that's all about a cold wallet. And now moving on to our crypto news segment, we are talking about a research, and this is an article on bitcoineast.com written by Christine Vasileva, and it headlines: a research blockchain devices market will be worth $1.2 billion in 5 years. Now I'm going to read what that it's all about. And it says that the market for devices dedicated to cryptocurrency or having blockchain connectivity features will grow by leaps of more than 40% each year, the research predicts. Now, this is a research by this is the vision of markets and markets proprietary research. That's their research, and it indicates that sales may increase for all categories, including ATM, hardware wallets, crypto-enabled smartphones, POS, that's point of sale terminals, for crypto payments and other devices. The research does not include specifically ASIC, that's application specific integrated circuits, which are not on the consumer side of crypto electronics. Now, I want to read what the researchers envision, and I will quote what they say. Quote, of all the types of devices, other devices such as blockchain gateways and pre-configured devices expected to grow at the highest CAGR, that's compound annual growth rate, during the forecast period. Blockchain is a universal purpose digital identity gateway which enables corporations, governments, and institutions to bridge their legacy systems with the decentralized blockchain networks. Now, the climate for investment is also favorable, with plentiful venture capital and growing blockchain adoption, end quote. So, and according to this research, it indicates that North America is expected to be the driver for blockchain powered devices, as both individuals and businesses require better connectivity to public or private blockchains. Now, as of 2019, one of the biggest moves for crypto adoption was the decision of Samsung to add hardware wallet and private key protection to the Samsung S10 models. The crypto payment is also connected to the Samsung Pay FinTech feature. Now, also HTC, and this news we had them recently, HTC also launched its phone with native support for the Exodus wallet. So, as you can see, guys, on this research by the markets and markets proprietary research, this means that blockchain devices, as you can see, they are indicating that they are expected to gain by 42% annually. And then again, this means that we have the boost, and this boost is coming from smart devices, wallets, as well as connectivity system. And so this means that the blockchain technology cannot be I cannot insist more on the blockchain technology being the best option, and because the blockchain adoption is massive, gaining traction by the day, everyone moving to understand why people are adopting this technology, and that is why you must be in this space. And talking about blockchain, talking about cryptocurrencies, talking about wallets, I am sending you and I'm inviting you, humbling inviting you to the very great, one of the greatest hands-on workshop that you will find for this year. There's none. You know, the year is coming to an end, guys. And so you need to, if you haven't even had an idea, because you just hear the blockchain technology, hear about cryptocurrencies, you've heard about Bitcoins. And actually, I know that so many people are Bitcoin holders. Now you've stopped at that. You don't know what to do with the Coins. You don't even still understand why you took the Coins. This is the reason why you took Coins. The Nairobi Blockchain Conference. It's going to give you a guide. It's going to make you help you understand better why those Coins are holding so much value, and why they should not just lie there on your smartphone, why you should be active so that you can begin making money at the comfort of your home. What am I talking about? You will come and understand exactly from the blockchain enthusiasts, the blockchain experts, and as well as people who have been on this platform for a long time, for some time now. They will help you to practically understand how much of a gain you stand to have with the Ubri coins. This I mean that when you attend this event, which is going down at the 680 Hotel, Nairobi, Kenya, on the 27th of this month, you're going to understand how, if you do not have a wallet, you will have an opportunity to open a wallet and then acquire some lubricants for yourself and get down to understanding what are the different types of exchanges where you have an opportunity to open accounts on these exchanges and then begin making money. And how you're going to make money is by trading. Now, this is not an event that is just going to help you on that very day. This is an event that's going to define how you're going to your approach towards cryptocurrencies. So I am telling you guys that this is the best opportunity. It's an opportunity for a lifetime. You cannot miss out on this opportunity. For only $5, 500 Kenya shillings, let's meet at the Nairobi Blockchain Conference so that you understand how easy and how convenient it is for you to make money with cryptocurrencies. You cannot miss out on this opportunity, and I don't want you to miss out on it. Please, guys, I am inviting you to come on board, buy yourself a ticket at 500 Kenya shillings, and at with only 3 hours, I just want you to dedicate 3 hours of your time from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. It will be on a Friday, so this makes it even more exciting because people are very available on Fridays. I know so many people are wondering, so how do I even begin this weekend? The best way to begin that weekend of the 27th is by understanding cryptos, and that will define your way of looking at cryptos. So let's meet at the Nairobi Blockchain Conference on the 27th of this month, 13 days to go from now. We are having this countdown every single day, and I will keep reminding you because it's very important for you to just not just have cryptocurrencies, just have Ubri coins and keep them in your wallet for no good reason. No, that is not the purpose of why we gave you those Ubri coins. You must also understand that this is a conference that's giving you an understanding of why we talk about Ubri coin giving you wealth, wellness, and well-being. This is your chance, guys. Don't miss out on this opportunity. So we humbly request you to spare some time and come and join us. And then let's get the Ubri coin going. And don't forget that we are partnering with Cubitex, and it's also they have an exchange, that's Cubitex Exchange. So you will have so much to gain from this event. You cannot miss out, guys. So I get to love you and leave you and see you tomorrow. Make sure you attend wherever you go to church. Just go to church. Let's worship, let's praise, and then let's meet here at exactly 10:00 hours coordinated universal time UTC as you tell me that you have booked a ticket, and then as I bring you more exciting news and as I tell you why you need to adopt Ubricoin, why you need to invest big time on Ubricoin. I have been your girl, Scholastica Mugi, and until tomorrow, it is goodbye for now. Ciao!